ग्लिट्स, ग्लैमर और स्टार्स की मौजूदगी ने ग्रैंड फिनाले लीवा मिस डीवा 2021 की शाम को बना दिया ट्रूली स्पेशल।
It's kind of special because there was a point in my life when I just came to Mumbai when I was thinking of going for Miss Diva, Miss India pageants myself, and then Bollywood happened and I got a film. But that was always like something that I wished to go and participate in, and it's just really nice to be judging the same event. So it kind of is very very special. But I'm really looking forward to a great evening.
आज मैं परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ और बड़े दिनों के बाद मैं परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ, तो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है। पहले आई थिंक रेड कार्पेट करना 2 साल के बाद वो भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
I'm just very excited to see so many gorgeous girls together, and the fact that we are back to work.
I'm feeling great. It is encouraging for a lot many more events to happen, and of course we are in the city of Mumbai, and Mumbai is all about entertainment and films.
मलाइका अरोरा से लेकर अंगद बेदी और अश्विनी अय्यर तिवारी जैसे सेलेब्स नजर आए इस ग्लैमरस रेड कार्पेट पर।
Specifically as a judge, what are some qualities that really make it for you and make someone like a winner for you, and what are you looking for?
At a stage like this, I do feel that the inner beauty will be more important, is because the outer beauty is taken care of, and the intelligence and the kind of questions which we are going to be asking and what kind of answers are we going to be getting, that will be very important, is because we would expect the chosen one to be representing us at a world stage, and it is important that she carries her country with pride and she answers the questions on the world stage with as much passion as she would do today.
I don't know, honestly. I think it's going to be a night full of surprises, and I like that. For me also, I'm a bit, I would say I'm a bit nervous because, I've never been amongst so many beautiful women. It's on ground especially. It's going to be almost after 2.5 years, so really looking forward to the night.
ग्रैंड फिनाले लीवा मिस डीवा 2021 की कंटेस्टेंट्स ने भी अपने ग्लैमर से इस शाम को बना दिया ट्रूली स्पेशल।
I'm wearing Saisha Shinde, and there's a very deep meaning to this dress. As you can see, I'm wearing jewels in different colors that represents the LGBTQ community. It's an honor to them, and we wanted to showcase that just like this jewels, everybody is very unique. Their sexuality is very unique, and that's how we come together and make the universe, and that is what is depicted in this dress.
I think it's very tough to be on that stage, honestly, and to want to represent your countries is something that we all wish for. बहुत ग्रूमिंग चाहिए होती है, वो स्टेज पर उन हील्स में, उन कपड़ों में वॉक करना इज़ नॉट ईजी। क्वेश्चंस प्रेशर मोमेंट में आंसर करना इज़ नॉट ईजी, सो आई डू know that it's a big moment for all of them right now, and I just wish them all the luck, and I wish that all of them are their very best on this day, because that's very important.
So yeah, it's a very tough job. It's a very tough line to be in because you're always under scrutiny. There's so many things. You have to be the perfect clothes horse. It's not easy. It takes a lot of effort. So wish you girls the very very best.
और यहाँ एक्ट्रेस मलाइका अरोरा ने जूम से की एक्सक्लूसिव बात, और यहाँ उन्होंने इन पैजेंट कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ स्पेशल टिप्स की शेयर कि वो कैसे प्रेशर को हैंडल कर सकती हैं इन ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड।
Well, it's definitely not an easy place to be. There's a lot of pressure, there's a lot of expectation, but I think what's important is to maintain head firmly on your shoulders, and I think don't take it so seriously. I think you should just enjoy the whole process. Like I said, yes, there's a lot of pressure, but don't let that pressure get to you. I think there's more to life than getting bogged down by all that. Well, of course, you're looking for the ever so lethal combo of beauty and brains. I think that is something that really resonates really well. But I also like to see girls with a little bit of individuality. I don't like the whole cookie cutter sort of mold. I like girls to be different, to push the envelope and just kind of be different. Yeah.
वहीं मलाइका अरोरा से हमने उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ को लेकर भी पूछा सवाल, and this is what she had to say.
Well, I'm always striving to be better, to be a better version of myself. But if I had to describe my state of mind in this moment, I would say happy.
मलाइका अरोरा के बाद हमने रेड कार्पेट पर सिंगर कनिका कपूर को भी किया स्पॉट, जिन्होंने सोशल मीडिया पर पैंडेमिक रिलेटेड वायरस से इन्फेक्ट होने के बाद हुई ट्रोलिंग पर किया रिएक्ट।
It did bother me, I won't lie. It did actually shake me up. And it was a lot for someone like me. But I think I dealt with it in the best way I could and I learned to be more responsible.
वहीं फिल्म मेकर अश्विनी अय्यर तिवारी ने अपनी अपकमिंग फिल्म को लेकर की हमसे बात।
Tanda and Mahesh are one of the most amazing persons we have come across, and for them to be telling their story to us I would just say thank you and gratitude. It's been a 1.5 year long journey, and we just had to be very mindful that they were opening up to us,
Right.
and we had to be honest and completely abide that we had to tell their story, their untold story,
Right.
with utmost sincerity.
Comes with a lot of responsibility.
Comes with a lot of responsibility, and their whole essence, they're world champions.
Right.
And it's not easy to just open up and just say, tell your whole story. And here we are telling their story, so we are nervous, but I think their story needs to be told, and the world needs to listen why breakup happened.
इन सेलेब्स के साथ साथ हमने ढेर सारे और सेलिब्रिटीज से किया इंटरैक्ट अबाउट दिस ब्यूटी पैजेंट एंड अदर थिंग्स। Take a look.
Pageant winners, celebrities, or just anybody in the public eye, do you think that there's like some sort of, I don't know, moral responsibility to like talk about things that are important?
I mean, there's a lot of responsibility to sort of, anyone who's in the public eye has a responsibility to spread the right message, help people, be kinder, spread kindness basically. So, we are all proud Indians. I'm a very proud Indian. I think we all come with a lot of responsibility, and we've been given so much love from our country, from our people. So it's very important that we give something back to them.
ये तो सारी फिल्म्स के लिए मैं एक्साइटेड होंगी ही, एंड ऑफ कोर्स सबसे पहले हम दो हमारे दो आएगी, एंड बच्चन पांडे की डेट अनाउंस हो गई है। बाकी मिमी तो आ चुकी है। गणपत की शूटिंग अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुई है। भेड़िया की शूटिंग ख़त्म हो चुकी है। सो जो शूटिंग ख़त्म हो चुकी है वो हम दो हमारे दो बच्चन पांडे और भेड़िया हैं। आदि पुरुष की शूटिंग चल रही है अभी, काफ़ी जल्द ख़त्म हो जाएगी। That's a big one. Massive shooting is going on, and it's very exciting. And I'm also looking forward to starting Ganpat very soon.
I think जो winner होना चाहिए, they should just be the most themselves that they are, and I think we've seen all the girls who are the contestants, and everybody looks so stunning and beautiful, and there are so many talent rounds, and just looking forward to seeing them.
But I think one quality that I feel like not just the winner today, but I just think in everybody today is just themselves and originality. I think that's something that everybody should have, and I'm sure the winner is going to be so well deserved, and can't wait.